Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. Not only is it Stitch Fix Day, but it is also Thanksgiving Eve. I just want to wish a happy Thanksgiving to all of you and let you know that I am so grateful to just be here doing this, and thankful that I have such kind and loyal supporters who follow me. So let's just jump right in. Here is the fix. Watson, are you going to participate at all? Watson, here, why don't you check out what's in this box? Number 7. I am excited to open this one because, again, I peeked and there are some really fun things in here. I'm going to get in trouble with all the fun things that I'm getting. So, postage paid stamped envelope. Stamped postage paid envelope. Here is the return envelope should I decide to exchange or return any of the things in this fix. And this is the envelope containing my style card and price sheet, so I'm not going to look at the prices yet. I will check quickly the style card to see who styled me. And this one looks like it was styled by Michelle, which I believe she's the one that styled me last time, but I'll have to double check. And so I asked for, again, things that would be easy but somewhat dressy for family holiday parties. So that is what my request was. So right off the bat, you can see that I got a pair of shoes. I love to see these bags in here. If you haven't used Stitch Fix, I can't do this. Okay, so these are some obviously snakeskin booties, faux leather. It looks like to me. They are by Market and Spruce, the Emily printed buckle booty. So these will be interesting. If you can kind of see them up close, they are the snakeskin that has that little more of a cream color and slightly almost, it's not yellow, but I hope you get what I'm saying, because there's some that have more of a white and black tone. So this one is slightly different. So I don't know, I think this is cute. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm wearing my own animal print shoes today. So I'll try these on. I mean, how many different pairs of animal print shoes do you need? I don't know. And I'm guessing they're not super cheap. Okay, but those are cute, so I'll try those on. Okay, looks like my bundle. Some fun colors. So the first thing is, let's see, this is by Daniel Rain, and this is, I don't know how you say it, Becru lace detail blouse. It's in an olive color. I have seen this on several other people, or even like in some of the Facebook posts. Actually, I've seen this in several other unboxing in a white version, but I have not seen this olive version. So yeah, it's short sleeve, pretty lightweight. I'll try it on. I do like the color. It's not something really warm for this time of year, but might be a good underlayer, and I do like that color. Okay, the next thing in here, of course, is also animal print. So these are a pair of jeans by Blank NYC, the Gloria High Rise printed skinny jean in brown. This is a petite size, so I was wondering when I pulled them up, they look a little short, but I like the colors a lot, and I think that they will match with some of the neutrals in my wardrobe, in my closet. Some of the neutrals in my closet. So yeah, I'm excited to try these on. These look kind of comfy, and the color is not too over the top. So yes, I'll try those on. Okay, next, this is by French Connection, and it's really pretty, like blue, looks like somewhat cropped sweater. It's pretty big. It looks like an oversized fit. So it's a pretty loose, and it has almost like a boat neck, if you see that. So interesting. I will try it on. I don't typically wear a lot of blue. I might have said this before. I don't know why. Sometimes it looks okay, but it just doesn't kind of jive with the rest of my wardrobe. I will try this one on. I'm not sure how that will work out. Last but not least, this is my favorite thing when I peeked. And I know I should not peek, but I can't help it. So this one is a skirt, the leopard print skirt by Katie Storino. And I think some of you have probably seen this. Okay, it's a wrap. It's like a faux wrap skirt. Some of you have seen this on, I think, some of the Stitch Fix ads recently. This is the Sorrel printed wrap skirt in taupe. It has this like actual tie. And then there's a zipper too. So it looks really cute. I can't wait to try this one on. I don't typically wear a lot of skirts, but I think this one is really cute. And I think they suckered me in by that little video they did. So, all right, I am going to try all these things on. I will show them to you, and then afterwards we'll wrap up and see what I think. Okay, so here is that olive lace detail blouse. You can kind of see the sleeves and how it has this sort of like, I don't know what this is, sideways pleating across here. Oh, there were my ducks. I feed the ducks every day. Anyway, here it has these sort of cap sleeves that are a little bit longer. I'm not a huge fan of cap sleeves, but these ones aren't the worst. So yeah, and then I just have it sort of tucked in so it's a little bit longer. You can see if I did not tuck it in. Also, it does have a tie in the back, which I don't know if you've ever tried to tie something by yourself that can get tied in your hair, but you end up basically flipping over to try to tie the item. I could easily have gone outside of this room and asked for help, but I would never get back in here because once I get out there, the delays are never ending. So anyway, it wasn't that hard to do myself. I just had to do a little gymnastics. So anyway, this is what this looks like. Again, I think it's cute. I'm just not 100% certain on what you think of it. And I'm not sure what I think of it. Okay, so these are the jeans, and as you can see, they're a petite, and I do think they're just a little too short on me. So even with my boots, which are fairly tall profile, I have a big gap there. So especially in the winter, I think I'd like to try these in a little bit of a longer length. So I did keep them with this shirt because that's one of the things she suggested I pair it with. So I'm just not sure about the length. Like I mentioned before, these are a petite. I like the way they fit, but if I exchange for a larger size, it seems like they'll fit a little looser even though the length is better. Excuse me. Okay guys, this is that skirt by Katie Storino, and I think it is so pretty. It is just, I know the fabric, it actually reminds me of a nightgown, to be honest. It's just kind of that satiny, but it's just, it feels so comfortable on, and it has such a, I don't know if they're completely showing up on camera how bright and pretty it is, but as you can see, so this is a midi skirt, and because I'm a slightly shorter, it's hitting me a little bit lower than it typically would. So I'm almost 5'4". So in the back it's longer, you can see. And again, what I love is that there's enough room in here to add leggings or tights. So so cute. I think this is so cute. What do you guys think? I'm fairly certain I'm keeping it just because it's so comfortable. Here it is with just a white t-shirt. Again, not necessarily a t-shirt I would wear it with, but this is a denim jacket, so you could easily like do something like this. I could also do it with a blue denim jacket. And last, just another easy casual throw down with the t-shirt. Okay, so I left the skirt on because she actually suggested pairing this sweater with the skirt. So leaving the sweater kind of out like this, you can see it is fairly oversized on me. So here's how it looks completely unprofessionally tucked in. The blue does actually work with the leopard. I am just not sure that I would wear it. I don't know, what are your thoughts? So it's interesting because when I first saw that suggestion, I was kind of surprised by it, but it's not that bad. Okay, so here are the snakeskin shoes. So you can see they do have probably a 2, maybe 2.5 inch heel. I'll have to look. They are fairly comfortable in terms of booties. So again, I have some fairly uncomfortable ones. I feel like these have a little bit of padding in them. They do, as they get towards the toe, narrow a little bit. So yeah, they have that solid black heel, and like I mentioned, more of that cream color. So I am actually wearing, this is a Stitch Fix sweater. I cannot recall the name of it, but it's very common. I'll show it to you up close. Comes in like olive and I don't know what the other colors are. But anyway, and then these are the Liverpool skinny jeans. So yeah, full Stitch Fix outfit here. But, so I do like these, but I'm not certain how much I have that I would actually wear with them. So yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Very cute. And actually, like I said, not quite as... I can see if you wear it with some neutrals, it's not completely crazy, but I don't know, maybe it is. I would love your feedback on this. So I think that was the last item. So I will come back, sit down, and go through the prices on everything. See you soon. Watson. So we start out here, and I'm going to look at first the Daniel Rain blouse, which I actually really like. I don't typically wear blouses or this type of material. I guess it's more polyester, just because I don't work in an office and don't typically have an occasion for that, because I'm always cold. Anyway, I really like this, and I think it's a really cute top to match with more than I probably would have thought initially. So this one is actually, this is all of an extra small, $68, so it's not inexpensive. So that might weigh in on that. Of course. Okay, so the next thing, we're going to look at this blue, this French Connection Marion textured pullover. This one is $78. So as you saw, it's pretty loose on me. It's a pretty color, but it's just not necessarily a color that I typically wear. So this one is kind of a, definitely on the not sure list. Which is not good, because it would be so nice to have, to get all the other four and get a discount. Okay, what's the next thing? All right, so the next thing we have on here are these blank NYC jeans. And these are, Watson, are you alive at all? Watson. I have a dead dog. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm glad to see you're alive. Okay, these are by Blank NYC, and these are the Gloria High Rise Printed Skinny Jean in brown. They are a petite indeed, $88. So yeah, I really do like these. I think I might exchange for just the regular size instead of the petite, just to see, because I just felt like these were too short, but I would love your feedback. The next thing on here are these Market and Spruce Emily printed buckled boots. Again, these are $85. So cute. I actually think they're pretty comfortable too. There is somewhat of a limit of the number of outfits that I would be able to wear with these, but they're still really fun. So sometimes fun has to outweigh other factors. Okay. All right, and last but not least is this skirt by Katie Storino. This is the Sorel printed wrap skirt. It's in this extra small, and it's $68. So again, that seems a little expensive to me for a skirt, unless I could get the discount. But as you can see, the things that I really think I want to keep are these three items. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you've not already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Leave me comments, questions. I do love to get your feedback. Watson has not been doing a whole lot of participating in these videos lately. He is getting older, but sometimes I think he does it on purpose. Although he does like to lay on this rug. Okay, well, I wish you a very, very happy Thanksgiving, a safe time with you and your family, to focus on the things that you are grateful for, and really we should try and do that every day. So thanks so much for watching. See you next time.